My research project was the economic impact of organic produce in North Carolina. And the purpose of this project was to gather information on how we could help producers, which would be the farmers, find other ways and other outlets to produce outside of conventional produce, which would be organic produce. Also, the purpose was to find information about what is grown here in North Carolina to provide to the consumers so that they know what is being homegrown or what is being grown here in their own communities. The question we were trying to answer with this project was how the economy would be impacted by producers, which would be farmers, producing organic produce. The most interesting thing we discovered was when we were doing our simulations with finding the retail price and the wholesale prices, finding the organic premium, which is the difference between the organic price and the conventional price of certain produce. It was interesting because for the two crops that we used, which were sweet potatoes and tomatoes, sweet potatoes, there was a $4, almost a $5 difference in the amount of money that can be made off of producing organics. And for tomatoes, there was about a $50 difference based on how they're sold by the cartons. This was a worthwhile project for my life because it got me deep into research. You know, I had to dig and find the information by using the 2007 Census of Ag, and also going on the USDA website and using NASS, which is the National Agricultural Statistics Service, and using those resources that a lot of people don't know about and knowing how to sift through that information to find what you're trying to get. I see the results of my research helping other people to provide information for producers, which are the farmers again, and for consumers. In finding the information that we found that farmers could significantly make a lot more money by producing organics versus conventional. It definitely helped us to find information about North Carolina, because you hear a lot of stuff about national things and what is grown nationally, but we found what was grown here in North Carolina, so it's definitely going to benefit the consumers. I would definitely recommend the undergraduate research program to other students because it's definitely a very beneficial program. It's taught me a lot about research, and I think that more students need to get that understanding of what research is and to follow that research process and to make the problem and do the methodology and just to go through the whole process. And it's very rewarding when you find your conclusions and when you've done the research and you have that help, with your advisor, and you're not just thrown into doing something all by yourself. So it's a very beneficial program. I decided to major in agricultural economics because I did a research program here on camp at A&T the summer before my senior year, and my field of study was ag business. So that is what drew me to the ag business program. And I knew going to school that I wanted to major something in business. So I knew I didn't want to just major in your normal business. So agricultural business is like the specialized business degree for me. The things that interest me or excite me the most about my major are the wide variety of outlets I have after graduation. I can pretty much go into any career that I want to that a regular business major can go into. I could go to law school and become a corporate lawyer. I could go to get my MBA and work in accounting, things like that. So just the wide variety of opportunities. It's not just one of those majors where you can only go into one career path. There's various paths you can go into career-wise. I would certainly recommend this major to others because it's that specialized business major, and it sets you apart from general econ or general accounting majors because you have that background, but you also have it from an ag standpoint, and you understand how agriculture works with the business world.